Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We are visiting Gundam Base pop-up store in Burnaby, Vancouver today. Seeing the crazy lineup people posted online during the opening weekend, I got myself VIP passes for tomorrow at 10 and 11 a.m. I got 2 time slots just in case I can't make the 10 a.m. one, so I still have the 11 a.m. slot. And since my hotel is right across the street, I decided to walk over to check it out after dinner tonight. Right outside the pop-up store, there are my favorite Gunpla-kun and Saku-kun. And the G-Quest standing at the other side. The long poster you will see at every Gundam base. And they've got some built tables on the side. You can actually get a free entry-grade RX-78 Gundam to build at the workshop. I only found out afterwards. Luckily, it's just the entry grade, which I already have. If you want to join, just sign up with the staff there. It's first come first served. Honestly, I wish I knew earlier. I totally would build one right there.
The next day.
Today we're at Metrotown Burnaby in Vancouver. We're gonna visit Gundam Base pop-up store. They said there were over 1,000 people here over the weekend, but there's no one here today. I tried to make it look like the same day by wearing the same outfit, but I forgot I had less makeup on the first night, so you guys can probably tell. Every time I go to a Gundam base, it's so hard for me to actually find something I want because I'm not really into any clear color or special coating kits. This pop-up store is really small, and I can see most items were already sold out. Honestly, I'm not planning to buy anything here today because I just came back from Hong Kong and Korea Gundam Base. Yeah, I really thought I wouldn't be buying anything too. I guess it's different when you're traveling alone or with friends. I always end up buying stuff when I'm with my friends. If you're in the area, you better check this out. And don't forget to check out Sakura Media in the same mall. Thanks for watching today. If you liked my video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in the next one. Can't believe I found this Gundam assemble kit there.